with my video. So this is the black and white version. You saw the red. The red version was because I had tagged it, and it turned the spot red. But before I did that, I took a screenshot. And this is the screenshot, a close-up of it. And that's the M from that Malaysian airline liner that I think matched. And those are the windows. And the reason why it's dark right now is that I brought the contrast up so that I could focus on this spot here, this white shape. And I couldn't figure out what it was. And I kept thinking, well, gosh, it looked like a person bent over on a computer. But obviously it's not. So I looked at it and I thought, well, maybe that's a letter too. Just because it's dark here, maybe this is the white part of the plane, and that's a letter. And I thought, well, maybe it looks a little bit like an S. So I went to the very picture that I used to get this, which was this image, stock photo, and I cut and paste the S, and it looked like this when I was done. It's a little blurry here. And then I took it and I layered it on here, and there it is. Okay, so now we're going to move it over. Let me make this image a little bigger. It's at 200% now. Let's move it to 400%. And we're going to move it over to see if that shadow that I obsessed about could possibly be the S. And here we go. What do you know? There it is. You can say what you want, but this is not a coincidence. The M wasn't a coincidence. The S is not a coincidence. This is something either from the airline that crashed, or somebody planted something there to make it look like it crashed so people wouldn't search for that plane. I don't know. Nobody knows. But you can't tell me that whatever we're looking at here has nothing to do with this. Because this that you're looking at is a satellite image that I took on that Tom Nod satellite site when I was doing that crowdsourcing looking for the plane. It was a tiny speck, but I blew it up, and this is what I found. And then I cut and paste these letters, and I concentrated on this shadow, and that's an S. There it is. What do you know? It's another match. And they're looking for that plane on runways in remote islands. And here it is, right there, on a satellite image that they uploaded for everybody to look at. Figure it out. But I couldn't doctor a satellite image. I couldn't even doctor the S well enough. It's a pretty bad hack job, but I don't know how to use this program. Very rudimentary. My GIMP, my free GIMP program. There it is. Unbelievable. That's the airplane that's missing.